Hello everybody, this is Chef Shawn. Today we're making something that's illegal in the US and Canada. This food, or should I say drink, is known as S.H.I.T. It is a drink and we're going to be making it. I'm being forced to do this by a terrorist group that I may not name. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so we are here in my kitchen, and the ingredients we're going to be needing today is, first of all, a cup, actually. Okay. Got it? And we need to fill it up with water. So, clean water. So the first ingredient to S.H.I.T. is sugar. So, take a teaspoon and put some sugar in there. Stir it up. Now it's not going to dissolve, so you're going to have some sugar in the bottom, but that is okay. Right, let's so just put the tea or the spoon up to the side. Next, we need honey. So honey, we just have to drizzle a wee bit in here. If you microwave it, it makes it nice and gooey. I'll be right back. So now it's nice and going everywhere. So just, oh my gosh, that was not supposed to happen. That's so much honey. Okay. Stir it up. Seriously, that's like lots of honey. Old honey too. I don't know why that happened. It's not good right now, but it will be. Next, we need ice. This is a fresh tray of ice. Right. Up 1, 2, 3 if you really want it to taste good. Last thing we need is tea. I'm using Lipton tea. Rad. So, if you all have a scooper, just use about a quarter. I've never actually done this before, so. Eating raw tea dust is like drinking very strong tea. Okay. After you have all these ingredients in, stir it up and take a test. Very refreshing. So we have just created what's illegal in US and Canada, sugar, honey, iced tea. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more Chef Shawn. Goodbye. Oh yeah, like this video, and if you don't, I'll come to your house and cook you in front of your family. Bye.